Hey guys, so today I wanted to share with you something uh, in case you have a PDF document, you feel like they've sent you a document, you need to fill it. So I'll be showing you how you can fill it using the Acrobat Reader DC. So I'll provide a link in the description if you need to download this software. So we shall go ahead to run it so that I can show you how you can go ahead to fill any piece of work given to you, maybe a document, maybe you want to fill a form but it is in a PDF format. So what you need to do, you have to download the Acrobat Reader DC. So I'll provide the link in the description, then you can go ahead and download. So I'll show you an example of the form. For example, this form, just give you an example of this one. So this one is in PDF format, and in case you want to fill it or any related form or something which looks like this, so it is still opening. So for example, this form, this particular form, for example this one, as you can see, this form, it needs filling. For example, you have to put there your full names, age, gender, things like that, then you fill these things. So now, like here, it is already in a PDF format, you cannot edit it from here. So you'll use this software to help you do the work for you, the Adobe Acrobat Reader. So this is where you click in case you want to edit a form or fill it. You just click here, then they will say fill and sign forms or get them signed from others. In case you want them to be signed, you can also send them like that. So here you'll go ahead to select the file. For demonstration purpose, we shall use this file. For demonstration purpose. So I'll select the form and go ahead to open it. Then it will appear here. So when it appears here, you'll have to use this one, fill and sign here. So you'll click on fill and sign. So after clicking on fill and sign, then you'll be given these edit tools and typing tools. So here you'll go ahead to fill there your names or anything you feel like. So these are some of the other things. You can also attach others. You can also go ahead to use other layers. You can choose cancel, select, and others all here. You can also do signature here if you want to sign. No, you can use this. You can also put the signature in case. So all these tools are provided for you. So for example, here where they are saying fill the first name, so we shall say, for example, this name. As you can see, you can type in the name, then you can go ahead to select the date of birth. For example, you click here, then you start typing the date of birth. Then this one can be like this. Then you can also like align it well in case it is a bit low. You can arrange it well like that. Then you can put the age, then you can also align it well. Then gender like that, male or female like that. So that's how you edit and fill any form which is in PDF format for any document or anything. this is what I wanted to share with you guys. If you have any questions regarding this one, kindly leave a comment in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. I'll leave you for now. Bye.